fucking tiny arms, bro. You know, you think I would do that?
Mas nag-highlights kasi, mas nag-highlight kasi yun eh.
Ang ano sa akin pre, wrist brush up. Alam mo yun, yung ganun lang dito. Ano yung ginagawa ko sa Blue Zone? Yung parang ganun. Yan, ganun lang, hanggang ganun lang.
Yeah.
Prepare for battle.
Gagi pre, eto. Tangina aga upset sa Rolex.
Okay, why?
Because I already fucking proved my worth and they fucking still put me on waitlist dun sa yung sa blue dial na Rolex.
Kay Joshua? Kay Cords?
Oh. Tangina, I have great news. Gagong puta. Dinidemonyo lang ako sa ibang basically yung great news niya pre is may available na Rolex pero hindi yung gusto ko. Gagong puta.
Are you kidding me, Cords?
Bruh, like, I already proved my worth, bruh. Come on now. Even my mom and my dad is buying. Like, talagang mapili sila, pre, sa nila, to who they fucking give their watches to. Alam mo yun? Like, you don't feel a customer, you feel like fucking the one begging. Kinda get upset. Tapos yung yung una, di ba, nga lang ako nun? Like, second option lang ako. Di ba, yung my first Rolex? Kaya parang tangina. Next balik ko sa Rolex, pre, magtataghuran na lang ako, pre, or Omega. Tingin na nila.
Why not AP, bro?
Oh my god, are you fucking out of your mind? I cannot afford that shit.
Ah, di ba? Okay. Alright.
Nah, bro.
I don't know. Hindi ko alam yung... Actually, I know AP as a watch, pero hindi ko alam yung mga...
No. Rolex upgraded yung pre. Nah, pre, no. I cannot.
Nah.
Cannot afford. Pablo, AP, Richard Mille, Patek. Nah, I cannot afford it. I'm not there.
Patek is much more popular, right?
Huh?
Or it's just me?
Patek. Yeah, Patek. I mean, Patek, Richard Mille. Yeah. They're like, you know.
Why not Grand Seiko?
I'm toying with you. You understand that, right?
Kasi, okay, I'm not being cocky with Grand Seiko, pero I feel like I can always buy it. That's the thing. Eventually though, eventually. Ikaw pre, yun una mong bibilhin na ilan.
Ano sabi mo?
Ikaw ba?
Ano nga ako? What?
Like if you're in my position, Grand Seiko ka, no?
Depende.
Feeling ko kasi I'm hungry for status. My ego, alam mo yun? I'm feeding my ego. That's why. Ang annoying naman ito, pre.
Diba? Si yeah. Definitely annoying.
Gago eh. Snow lang ng snow eh.
Annoying din dito, pre. Yung kampi natin. Hindi kalaban, no? CS eh.
I cannot do anything. Hindi siya maharas, pre. You know me, normally aggressive ako eh. Ano yun? May tinapon siya sa akin.
Ba't ito yung Marcos? Why are you here?
Lalo. Pagkata ka na. Pinapatiis na kita.
Akin yan. Akin yan? Hindi pa eh. Nagawa nyo ako sa CS. Inyo pa rin kill.
Siya ba nagpe-place nito? Yung poking inang ano?
Yeah. Second skill yan.
Ang ina, ang layo naman niya, pre. Nagpe-place niya, hindi ko siya kita. What the fuck is that?
Yeah, malayo rin siya, pre. Tara mo, i-click mo siya, tapos tignan mo yung, itutok mo yung, ano mo, pointer mo sa second skill yan. You can see how long.
Hindi ko nga siya kita eh. Missing. Missing, nawala, pre.
Nandiyan, no?
Biglang dumating.
Do you wanna see how long? Ayan, no? Send ko sa screenshot.
Teka. Bakit? Ano yan? May tinapon siya sa akin.
Yung SS, nag-SS.
The fuck? Why would you ult me?
Di ka makakapag-guild, na mo. Di ka nag-guild, di ba? Ayun, okay na. Kasi wala.
Ano ba yan?
Yeah, pag na-SS ang ka, di ka makakapag-guild.
Ang ina naman oh.
Wala tap, pre.
Sige lang, dali pa nila Ponte, pre. This shit is fucking annoying, man.
Ah.
Ang ina yung SS niya ba? Pinipindot ba yan? Ay natatarget sa akin o parang ano ni Miranda?
Skill shot.
Kasi putang ina eh, kanina pa ako nasasampol eh. Hindi ko alam kung... Hindi lang marunong pilag eh. Ina mo ka.
It's a skill shot.
On dark wings.
300 din yan. Kala mo ha, 200. Hindi na ba?
Lord. Missing? Nag-SS sa taas, pre! Nag-SS sa taas!
Nag-SS ka.
Darkness advances.
At dead.
Portents.
Bibihasa na tong na to ah.
In flight.
Yeah, ano na,
Dito. Why the heck are they here?
Last warning.
What? Really? Lily?
Is under attack.
Missing.
Forerunner of fate.
Ulul, de-deny ka pa, putang ina mo eh.
That's what you get.
Porky na pera niya! Bakit siya nabili?
Meta daw, pre, meta.
Tower is under attack.
Yung meta.
Why can't I pin it? What?
Pre, may DD ako. Let's do something. Oh no! Totoo to? Oh no! I am so sorry. Namimili ng ano yun. Namimili yung neutral. Nani? Grabe yung stone na yan. Kaso galit yung Jagger sa akin, pre. Galit ulit sa akin. Oh my god.
No, you Gundam!
Ganda
I'm
naman yung
alive, bro. I'm alive.
Ganda nung ano ng Warlock Samurai, what the fuck?
Yeah, naka-skin. What should I pick? What should I build? Ang pasan kalor na tayo? Ay, what did? Go, go, go!
I bring dark tidings.
Ano yung tayo nun?
Dapat tayo neutral. Chat.
Oh, that hurts.
Under attack. Path of destruction.
Are you gonna chase?
Napunubuhay na. Bigla na punubuhay niya eh. Ano yun? Ay, gago. Naka-ano. Ito oh. Utang ina.
Here comes.
Ano? Let's go.
Wag ka, talikod ka lang, talikod. Taunt yan eh.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Kakombo sila, kakombo.
Ano nyo? Ano nyo?
Hey! Hey! Hey!
I saw that.
Right.
Utang ako
I
ng
bring
na parang.
my thanks.
Oh my god! Here we go. Let's go, what the fuck?
Eh! I saved myself! Pero, yeah, I'm dead. Papatay!
Eh,
Yeah.
Middle tower is under attack.
Set up yung
go
Jagger.
dito. This Magnus, bruh! Oh my god.
Kanina pa siya tatap, actually. He's good.
Your middle tower is under
Grabe. Very gotta take notes.
Oh my lord! PA? PA?
Fair warning.
He's actually good.
Yeah, he's good.
He's actually nice with it.
He is good.
Tangina, bumubulang sila, pre.
Dark wings. Yes.
Aha!
Last warning.
Tulog ka, Jagger na. Tangina mo.
The abyss calls. I was meant to have this. Yes.
Let's go.
Uy, gago, help! Dami, putang ina!
Oh my god!
The harbinger comes.
Trash talk pa nga. Putik na yan. Bro.
Cringe. Trigger sila eh.
I can see my own.
siya eh.
Man,
Such
that's
a
right.
fucking cat.
Darkness
I love being a cat, bro.
Yan na, putik. Binigyan mo ka ng score.
the beat of
Elvic o Grobong? Elvic, no?
Elvic.
shadows.
Elvic o Quiver?
Elvic pa rin. Malayo na range mo eh.
I'm built for LDR, bro. You know me.
Path of destruction.
But,
Ano yan? Ano yan? Heal? Ano ba?
ah! Kumambo!
Patay na agad yung bullet.
Oh my God! Nabura!
Oh my god, wow.
Your top tower has fallen. Your top tower has fallen.
Oh no, my top.
Ako lang tatargetin yung break. Sino mo?
The enemy's
Trigger
middle
mo kasi
tower
E.
has fallen.
Putang ina, ano yun?
Gabi.
No!
What is he doing?
He thought he was fucking slick. He got caught lacking. Ginagawa nun dun? Seriously though, no offense.
Ewan ko dun.
Darkness advances.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Bilis, what the heck? 24 seconds na lang. Tier 3.
What the fuck? Ako pinano dun?
Let's get this one.
They're going for my ass, I can feel it. Do I even need to do this shit? Ano yun? Putang ina. Sunod-sunod eh.
Lapit ka. Para hindi ka ma-DPS.
What do you mean?
Ay, hindi ka na
Oh,
DPS ba?
hindi ako nagka-damage doon habang nakalubog ako?
Back to friend, daya naman doon. Pati ba't ngayon ka lang?
fuck it.
Ah, ba't ngayon ka lang?
Bring bad news.
Ba? Di nagsasalita? Famous pa rin, famous.
Hey man.
Si Quartz.
Gagi George, di tayo pati. Pinunta mo ako sa waitlist eh.
Darkness advances.
Gagi, di ka na nirarap. Uy, putang ina na yan. Gago, pre, kami kasi, gago.
The Harbinger comes.
The enemy's bottom tower has
Sa akin eh, hindi na sila mag-push eh. Tapos tapusin na natin.
Sun rises. Foul portents.
I need fight of PK. Oh shit, no.
Yes. On dark wings.
Ang ina, pinisan death lang pala tayo. Cheers mo na.
Hindi pala may epekto yun. Okay.
Fair warning.
Kala ko may epekto yun.
Yes. Despair.
Nice try. Oh shit!
Naka ano, Blade Mail! Bro.
Naka-blade mail ba? Ay, fucking sick.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Yes.
Nag-SS na. Hindi sila natastock, pre. Come on.
Path of destruction. Death I deal with each serrated wing. From the world on the rim. Last warning. Yes. The Harbinger comes. Darkness advances. Forerunner of fate.
Oh no.
Darkness
Ow! 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 Oh my lord.
wing.
Sakit.
Kung corner naman nila, wala na nangyayari.
I can see my own world from here.
Tapos tayo all lanes, pre.
Oh, nasabot na ako.
Tapos mid, putang na inaantay nila.
I herald your destruction.
Malapit.
Ill omens.
Your shrine has fallen to the ring.
Grabe sa mabog yun. Ang sakit.
Bad news.
Ayun na nga, tangki na.
Dark shadows.
Ikaw lang di makakapush dyan sa
Yunti. Ito, mid oh, ano na.
Tinadura na lang.
Attack.
Okay, pasukin nyo.
Snipe ito.
Am I dead? I'm not!
The enemy's middle barracks.
Dark Orb.
The enemy's middle barracks has fallen.
Destruction.
Kung sila to, putang ina. Divine na ako, pre.
Dire structures are fortified.
1 point, ikaw ko tinrastok. Tinrastok din.
On dark wings. Yes.
Got him!
Middle tower has fallen.
Got him! Tangin ginawa. Kita mo yung sinabi ko, Josh.
Eh,
Oh my god! Did you see that?
no, what happened?
Kagawa nito yung ano.
Why am I that surprised?
Ano, hindi na nga ako point.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Gogo, tinalo dito. Putang ina mo. Ah,
You guys could have died there.
galit na galit yun sa akin. Sabay Gigi Walte. Ay, nako. Putang ina sa fuck.